Howdy, folks. What you're hearing is a piece of music that is completely AI generated. Now, it ain't a piece of art, but it could be if the tool is put in the right hands. Everything is done in just 3 minutes, and that's how long it'll take to get you started. First things first, what is 11 Labs? It's a text-to-speech service that aims to imitate human speech. It's best used for dubbing and voiceover. Now, I'm sure you have your own nefarious plans with it, but today we're only going to test out the new cutting-edge feature, music generation. The main gist is this. You provide genre, duration, vocals, and the general vibe. I got it working with that structure, but you can try mixing and matching it up a little bit, see what fits. Be experimental. It's just fresh out of the oven, after all. Let me demonstrate. We'll start with something old school and jazzy. I'll pick bossa nova and add a bit of chorino. My favorite band for this style is Coro Club, but we can't really say make it sound like Coro Club. Instead, we can say let the main instruments be piano and guitar to capture their style. Let's aim for a 4-minute song. There we go. Alright, hit that generate button and let the magic happen. The AI is going to cook up something completely fresh for you. And boom, here's what I got. Not bad for 3 minutes of work, right? One thing to note, this costs a lot of credits. One song cost me 2,000 credits, so be ready to spend. Oh, and here's the kicker. Say you want to tweak something after the fact. Just type your changes right back into that same box. Maybe I want to throw in some sultry Japanese vocals to spice things up, like this. And that's a wrap, folks. If this saved you some time or sparked some creativity, hit that subscribe button. More AI shenanigans coming your way soon, and I'll see you later.